This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for December 23rd, 2022. It's currently November 6th, 2022, 8:12 p.m. Eastern Time. We have a nullified indolence card. So the indolence card normally is a decline through multiple support levels that starts from a very brief peak in opportunity that's easily missed. Looks like the prior day we had that peak. It's probably easily missed midday. And then we declined. Now, so that decline continued overnight, and we opened lower. However, it's nullified. And with that said, we have a lot of bullish energies that overarch with it that we see on the 1 month. Right? We see the aeon and the adjustment energies here. Aeon, lust, and adjustment energies. So in any case, we open lower. There's in the pre-market a decline due to multiple headwinds. Right around the open, though, there is a rally moving, a notable rally that'll stand out on a one-day chart, reaching for distant resistance. We break out in the first half hour, reach for further distant resistance, push the upper end of a range higher there early on. However, somewhere around like 10:30ish. Decline commences. There's a bit of volatility between roughly 11 and 12, and a fast sudden move higher at the end of that period of volatility. However, that fast sudden move higher is then met by a notable decline on a one-day chart. So it kind of like cancels out the move higher, and then we break down midday through a support level that we had recently broken down once before. There's a bit of a holding pattern at a trough around probably around 115-ish. And then out of that holding pattern, there's a move higher, bumping up against resistance, failing to break through resistance multiple times, at a crest around, let's say, between 2 and 3 o'clock. Now, a crest towards the end of the day. Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance between roughly 2 and 3, and then in the last hour we break through that resistance and we continue moving higher, reaching for distant resistance. A notable move to the upside right around the close that'll stand out on a one-day chart. There's going to be a big move to the upside here, kind of canceling out any gap down that we had overnight possibly. However, there was a clairvoyant impression I got when actually doing this laying of the cards, the completion of a rally. So this rally likely completes here at the end of the day. The sneak preview card is a move lower. We open lower and there's a decline, offering opportunity to open up a long position. That's the 23rd of December 2022 for the S&P 500. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, my friends, follow that rule of karma. Make sure you spend that money out of love. As long as you do that, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.